Tone: calm, intelligent, cinematic, thought-provoking. Deep beneath the rainforest floor, millions of workers manage a massive agricultural empire. They do not eat the leaves they harvest, not a single bite. Instead, they march miles to cut foliage, carrying burdens 50 times their body weight back into the dark earth. Long before humans planted the first seeds, nature created the planet's first industrial farmer. When early naturalists observed leafcutter ants marching through the jungle, they assumed the insects were storing food for winter. They were completely wrong. Fresh leaves are actually toxic to the ants. If an ant attempts to digest raw leaf sap, its internal organs fail. So why do 50 million ants strip entire forest canopies bare overnight? 55 million years ago, a dramatic climate shift forced a primitive insect species to adapt or perish. Deep within the humid soil, they struck an evolutionary deal with a single species of fungus. The ants provided shredded leaves as fertilizer. In return, the fungus broke down the tough plant cellulose, producing nutrient-dense structures packed with proteins. This was not simple foraging. It was the birth of farming on Earth. Building an agricultural empire is one thing. Sustaining it is entirely different. Human farmers know the danger of monoculture. Growing a single crop across vast areas invites catastrophic disease. Leafcutter ant nests house millions of individuals, all relying on one continuous fungal garden. Yet these underground farms have thrived uninterrupted for millennia. How do insects maintain pristine industrial monocultures without pesticides? The real mystery begins here. Inside the nest, leafcutter ants run a climate control system that rivals modern human engineering. Vertical tunnels act as thermal chimneys, drawing fresh oxygen deep into lower chambers while expelling toxic carbon dioxide. Temperature and humidity remain steady year-round. But that wasn't the strangest part. Scientists discovered these fungal gardens were under constant attack by a parasitic mold, capable of destroying an entire colony's food supply in 48 hours. Yet the ants were systematically eliminating the threat. Under high-powered electron microscopes, researchers spotted a chalky white coating covering the ants' bodies. It wasn't mineral dust. It was a living culture of Actinobacteria, the exact class of bacteria humans use to manufacture modern antibiotics. The ants were wearing living pharmaceutical factories on their exoskeletons. Humanity faces an escalating crisis with antibiotic resistance as superbugs adapt to our drugs. Yet, leafcutter ants have used the same bacterial antibiotics for 50 million years without a single systemic failure. Their symbiotic bacteria continuously mutate alongside the parasite, deploying an ever-evolving chemical defense. We view agriculture and medicine as unique triumphs of human intellect. In truth, we were 50 million years late to the farm,